Hi, I'm Mike Simmons from A World of Wings. I've been a professional bird trainer for the last 12 years. I'm today here talking about the Liberta parrot cage range. Hi, I'm Mike Simmons and this is Maggie. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Good boy. We're here with the Enterprise, a large parrot cage by Liberta. It's designed for large parrots like Maggie and has lots of different features to make him comfortable and happy in your home environment. So some of them features include a large pull-out stand on top of the cage. This is very important. It allows them day-to-day exercise and a chance to leave their cage environment. And of course, this cage top stand can be closed as well as open. Going down from the pull-out stand, we also have a hatch door out the front, allowing another chance for the bird to exit its day-to-day environment of staying within the cage. To the side of the cage, yet another entrance or exit point, ideally suited to placing a nest box or a bathing facility. To the front of the cage, we have a large entrance or exit door. Now, a large door is very important as it makes it easy to put your parrot into the cage and also for your bird to exit the cage. But also bear in mind, a large door makes it very easy when cleaning the cage. So not only does this bolt lock the door in place, but also the bolt itself can be locked in place, preventing the bird from letting itself out and escaping the cage. So going away from the doors and the entrance and exits to this cage, we have the feeding facilities. We have the bowls on both sides, 3 bowls in total, fixed to a swing feeder. Not only does it make it easy for feeding and changing the water daily, but also on the back of the bowl there is a bolt, a locking nut to secure them in place. Going down from the bowls to the bottom, we have a removable tray, a seed catcher. This eliminates mess around the cage environment. Underneath this seed catcher, we have 2 trays. One is a grill to stop the bird walking around in the messier area of the tray and the cage. And right at the very bottom, we have a tray collecting all of the waste and products that you don't want in the cage that the parrot leaves behind. All in all, this large parrot cage for a large parrot like Maggie offers plenty of space and lots of luxuries and additional features like the stand on top for the parrot to enjoy. Can you say bye?